Welcome to a journey of transformation, 1 minute at a time. We're about to unlock the power of a simple yet incredibly effective exercise, the plank. Don't be fooled by its seeming simplicity. This exercise is a true powerhouse, capable of transforming your body from the inside out. Get ready to strengthen your core, improve your posture, and boost your metabolism, all with just 1 minute of daily effort. You might be wondering how such a simple exercise can yield such remarkable results. The secret lies in engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously. The plank targets your abdominal muscles, back muscles, shoulders, and even your glutes. It's a full-body workout disguised as a stationary hold. And the best part, it requires no equipment and can be done anywhere, anytime. So, are you ready to embark on this transformative journey? Get ready to discover the incredible benefits of a daily 1-minute plank. Your body will thank you for it. The plank is more than just an exercise, it's a gateway to a stronger, healthier you. By incorporating a daily 1-minute plank into your routine, you're making a powerful investment in your overall well-being. It's a commitment to building a solid foundation for all your daily activities, from bending and lifting to walking and running. The plank's ability to engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously makes it a highly efficient exercise. You're not just working one muscle at a time. You're activating an entire network of muscles that work together to support your body. This synergistic effect leads to greater strength, stability, and endurance. Moreover, the plank is a low-impact exercise, making it suitable for people of all fitness levels. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, the plank can be adapted to your current abilities. It's a versatile exercise that can be modified to increase or decrease the challenge as needed. A strong core is the cornerstone of a healthy and functional body. Your core muscles, including your abdominal muscles, back muscles, and pelvic floor muscles, act as a stabilizing force for your entire body. They support your spine, improve your balance, and transfer power between your upper and lower body. The plank is an exceptional core strengthening exercise. By holding the plank position, you're actively engaging your core muscles to maintain a straight line from your head to your heels. This isometric contraction builds strength and endurance in your core muscles, making them more resilient and better able to support your body. A strong core not only enhances your physical performance but also plays a crucial role in preventing injuries. Weak core muscles can lead to back pain, poor posture, and instability. By strengthening your core with daily planks, you're reinforcing your body's natural support system and minimizing the risk of injuries. Good posture is about more than just appearances. It's essential for maintaining a healthy spine and overall well-being. Poor posture, often characterized by rounded shoulders, a forward head position, and an arched lower back, can lead to muscle imbalances, back pain, and even headaches. The plank strengthens the muscles responsible for maintaining proper posture. By engaging your core muscles, back muscles, and shoulder muscles, the plank helps to counteract the effects of prolonged sitting and poor postural habits. It encourages a more upright and aligned posture, reducing strain on your spine and surrounding muscles. Improved posture not only enhances your physical appearance, but also boosts your confidence. Standing tall with your shoulders back and head held high projects an image of self-assurance and vitality. It's a visual representation of inner strength and well-being. A healthy metabolism is key for maintaining a healthy weight and overall energy levels. Your metabolism is the process by which your body converts food into energy. A higher metabolic rate means your body burns calories more efficiently, even at rest. The plank, despite being a stationary exercise, can actually help boost your metabolism. By engaging multiple muscle groups simultaneously, the plank requires a significant amount of energy expenditure. This increased energy demand translates into a higher calorie burn, both during and after your workout. Moreover, building muscle mass through exercises like the plank further enhances your metabolism. Muscle tissue burns more calories than fat tissue even when you're not actively exercising. So, by incorporating planks into your routine, you're not just burning calories during the exercise itself, but also building a more metabolically active body. Don't just take our word for it. Countless individuals have experienced the transformative power of the plank firsthand. From reduced back pain to improved athletic performance, people from all walks of life have shared their success stories, inspiring others to embrace the plank challenge. John, a 45-year-old office worker, struggled with chronic back pain for years. After incorporating daily planks into his routine, he noticed a significant reduction in pain and improved posture. He was able to sit for longer periods without discomfort and felt more energized throughout the day. Sarah, a 28-year-old marathon runner, used planks to strengthen her core, which led to improved running form and reduced risk of injuries. She noticed a significant increase in her endurance and was able to shave minutes off her race times. The beauty of the plank lies in its versatility. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, there's a plank variation to suit your fitness level. You can start with a basic forearm plank and gradually progress to more challenging variations as you get stronger. For beginners, the forearm plank is a great starting point. This variation involves holding your body in a straight line supported by your forearms and toes. Focus on maintaining a neutral spine and engaging your core muscles throughout the hold. As you get stronger, you can explore variations such as the high plank, which involves holding your body in a straight line supported by your hands and toes. You can also try side planks, which target your obliques, and reverse planks, which strengthen your back muscles. Starting a new exercise routine can be daunting, but with the right approach, anyone can master the plank. Here are some tips for plank beginners to ensure a safe and effective workout. Start with short holds, and gradually increase the duration as you get stronger. Aim for 15-second holds initially, and gradually work your way up to a full minute. Remember, consistency is key, so it's better to do short holds regularly than to push yourself too hard and risk injury. Focus on maintaining proper form throughout the hold. Keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels, engage your core muscles, and avoid sagging your hips or arching your back. Imagine a straight line running from your head to your heels and try to maintain that alignment throughout the hold. The daily 1-minute plank is a simple yet powerful tool for transforming your body from the inside out. It's a commitment to building core strength, improving posture, boosting your metabolism, and enhancing your overall well-being. Embrace the challenge, stay consistent, and witness the incredible changes that unfold. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. Similarly, the journey to a stronger, healthier you can begin with a single minute of planking each day. Start small, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress along the way. So, are you ready to unlock your full potential? Embrace the plank challenge and embark on a transformative journey that will leave you feeling stronger, more confident, and empowered to live your best life.